Alright, this is day 2 after surgery. Day 2. Wow, big difference. Wow, look at that. Hardly a limp. How you feeling there, Sophie? How you feeling? How you feeling? Day 2. How we feeling, Sophie? How we feeling? How are you feeling, huh? Feeling pretty good? Feeling pretty good? You look like you're feeling pretty good. This is day 2 after surgery. Day 2, not quite 48 hours. We're at about 46, 45 hours after surgery. How's that feel there, Sophie? Feels pretty good, huh? Okay, I think that's enough exercise for today. Let's go on inside, okay? Go on inside. Come on, let's go inside, okay? Good girl. Good girl, baby. Good girl.